Hello everyone, welcome to Alan Cooking. Today I am going to make very simple salt and pepper fried tofu. I hope you give this recipe a try and let me show you the simple of ingredients. First, we cut some of the aromatics. Green onion. Always separate the white from green part. And I have 4 cloves of garlics, and we're gonna chop it. I have serrano chili. It is not hot. We cut it in slices, small tiny one. And I have 2 Thai chili for color. Now slice the tofu to small pieces in a square shape, like that. Next we're gonna coat it in the tofu. Now we use cornstarch or potato starch. We add salt, pepper, and mix it. And now we coat it in the tofu. Heat up the pan to high heat and add some vegetable oil. Now start the tofu. Now we fry 2 until 3 minutes. After 2 minutes, we will flip. And we do the second batch. Add a little bit of oil and then we're going to saute aromatics. Here is the white part of the green onion, garlic, peppers. We have peppers here, serrano pepper and chili pepper. After 5 minutes, add the tofu back. And we give a stir. Now we finish with green onion. And our salt and pepper tofu is ready. Looking good, isn't it? So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you enjoy our video. Click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.